Can you see that? That, my friends, is Holyhead. That away! Just got to get down there now. Nearly done.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
Morning. That's 5 or 6 miles to do. That's where he was last night. There's the Holyhead Lighthouse. And there's the trusty little Nordist. And obviously, when we're walking up there, around, into Holyhead. Hey, this is going to be my longest ever walk. 130 mile. Hey, right, let's get this tent down and let's get cracking. Sun coming up, guys. I don't know if you can see where that rock comes out, just above it in that corner where it bends round. That's where we were camped. And we're heading over there. That little imposing thing there is called South Stacks. We'll be going up and over that, I think, in a short while. One thing as I always do throughout the day, always look back. Always look back on where you've been, where you've come from. Because the views from behind sometimes just as good as the ones from the front. I like walking in the morning, sun's coming up, very rarely anybody about. It's ice, as you see there. And we're heading up South Stacks, I think. Let you know in a mo when I'm puffing and panting. I said I'd be puffing and panting, you know. Here we are, climbing South Stacks. It ain't too bad. We've done a lot worse, ain't we, guys? Nice little climb. Sun still ain't quite got up there yet. I've been going about 3/4 an hour. I'm glad I stopped where I stopped. I could have got here easy, but I think I had a nice perfect little pitch last night. Ah, I wanted to go down there as well, really, and have a look around. Just when you thought you'd done the hard bit, you come to this. Hey? The trail keeps giving. Oh, there's a little sting in the tail. I don't quite think it's finished yet. Forgot to show you the view, you know. Bam! Scan you around. Boosh! There's Holyhead. Not far now. I'm not sure if we're going up round there or down there. I'm hoping it's down that way. I've done enough climbing. But we'll take what we get. Well, I walked 127 mile without getting lost. Well, I'm not lost, but the waymark's been brilliant all the way around. Apart from just this bit, apart from this section just past the lighthouse where there ain't none. And there's little tracks like this. Going all over the place. So I'm just going to go up this hill, another hill. And then assess where I am. I ain't too far off. Back on track now. Came across around the side of that hill there, and I went down that path there, looking at Holyhead. We actually should have come this way and follow it up over there. Only 5 minutes off. Right in the distance, just in front of my stick. That's where them two guys are camping. Blue sea. Holyhead Bay. There's a lot of ups this morning. I'm going up over that and down, and I've got to go back up here. See at the top. Can you see that? That, my friends, is Holyhead. There you go, Holyhead. That away. Just got to get down there now. Oh man, I didn't want to tempt fate early the other day. Oh god, so close to the finish as well. I'm just going to have to try and push through. I've only got 2 fruit pastels left. It's going to be hard. I'm going to have to do it anyway. I've got no choice. There we go. Holyhead. 2 guys down there look like they're all got big backpacks on. The ferry going over to Ireland, look. And there's Holyhead. We've just got to get down there. It looks like where them guys are. Follow that path off South Stacks and into Holyhead. Give one last little look at this. See a bit. Just looking back where we've been. There's the lighthouse, look, that was shut. So we've worked our way all over this mass of South Stacks, around the back of here, and just winding our way down. I don't know if you can see there, right there. You probably won't see with the GoPro. 2 climbers. Oh. That's the first one I've seen since the lighthouse. Well, we ain't done too bad, are we? Keep the seat to your left and you won't go wrong. Ooh. Right, I've got to take this top off. I'm roasting. Oh, I thought it was all downhill, but we walked down there to that house, round and up here. I'm sure I could have just come down there, but that ain't the path. Yeah, we're still ambling our way off the side of this mountain, Holyhead Mountain or South Stacks, I'm not sure what they call it. It would have been nice to get the drone out. And I got some good footage of this for that. But that died a few days ago. I just ain't got the power to charge it all back up again. There's a runner, look. He's got a bit more energy than me today. Yeah, pal.
Help, boy, you okay?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Our days of running up hills are long gone. A nice steady walk will do me now. We've just climbed over that. And now we're going that way. So close now. I can smell it. I can smell the finish. There's a guy on YouTube called Lord Kishi, or Lord Quiche, I'm sure how you pronounce it. His name's Owen, and he nicknamed me the Rain Man. Can't come with the Rain Man no more, kid. And that, my friends, was the Anglesey Coast Path. Thanks for joining me. If you've enjoyed these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Not sure what that one's going to be yet, but I'll keep you posted.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.